Okay, this here is a river birch. This is a deciduous tree, meaning that it is going to lose its leaves during the winter months. So as you can see, this one here, it's November and it's already started to. You can get a little bit of fall color out of it. He will sometimes turn a little bit yellow during the fall months, but for the most part, it's just green and then brown and then off, just like most of the Houston trees here. What people like about it, for one, it's usually grown in this multi-trunk to where it's got multiple trees growing up together, but it's got this cool papery bark. The bark peels back, and this is totally normal. This is why people buy it. It actually, as it matures, it'll actually do this quite a bit more, and it's really is a beautiful looking tree. And then it's got kind of a white trunk to it. So overall, it gets to be maybe about 30 feet tall. It doesn't get very wide though, so it's kind of nice. You can plant it in smaller areas. It probably gets to be maybe 15 feet wide. So.